Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy AMG Amway, and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, we are going to unbox the JBL Tune 520BT. Already I've done a previous video unboxing the blue one. Today we got the black one. Alright, so let's get right into it. The JBL Tune 520BT comes in different colors. We have the black, the blue black, the purple, the white, and the pink. So guys, since we are done with the unboxing, now let's talk about it. So this is the blue one. I did a review and unboxing video about it. So now we got the black one too. It's the same 520 BT, Tune 520 BT. It's the same thing, just that different colors. So yeah. So guys, it comes with a quick start guide which can help you connect and control. But with this one, before you connect, you have to download the JBL headphone app on App Store or Play Store. So yeah, this is all about the JBL. The quick guide will tell you everything about it. Yeah, it's very flexible. You can fold it anyhow you want it, and it can fit in your small bag. So here you go. And it lasts 57 hours. When you charge it to 100%, it will last for 57 hours before it runs down. When you're in a hurry and it's low battery, a 5-minute charge will last for 3 hours. This is the JBL Tune 520BT. Compared to the AirPod Max, I think the first generation AirPod Max, I think this is way better than the first generation AirPod Max, because this one lasts 57 hours and the AirPod Max lasts 20 hours. And the sound, spectacular. So I can use it for traveling, for DJing, and for normal use. The JBL Tune 520BT by Harman supports hands-free calls, multi-point connection, JBL pure bass sounds, and its lightweight and foldable design, fast pair, eco-friendly packaging, and it uses USB Type-C for charging. And one thing I like about the JBL Tune 520BT is that it's noise cancellation. So when you're in a noisy area, you not hear your environment. You only enjoy the song.
The bed today enter body, all the girl them go.
But yeah, it's not advisable to use it when you're in a busy area, cause who knows, there could be a car coming in, you won't hear anything. So be advised. Yeah, so guys, this is all I can say about the JBL Tune 520BT. You see, this video wasn't sponsored. I'm just doing it because of the love I have for the headset. So yeah. That's all for now. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips. We're gonna talk more about more technological gadgets. So hit the subscribe button for more content. Thank you for watching. We out.